Let's take a fascinating journey through the amazing world of our brain and body, where emotions dance with neurochemistry and signals spark like fireworks. Imagine your feelings, happy, sad, anxious, are all powered by a complex orchestra of somatic sensory feedback, cardiovascular rhythms, skeletal muscular movements, and neuroendocrine whispers. The autonomic nervous system is the maestro behind the scenes, regulating everything from your heartbeat to muscle tension, keeping you balanced while you binge watch your favorite series. Deep inside the brain, dendritic spines sprout like tiny treehouses on hippocampal neurons, ready to host synaptic adventures. When glutamate rushes in, sometimes via inotropic receptors for quick hits or metabotropic receptors for longer lasting effects, it sparks synaptic activation, leading to plasticity, the brain's way of remodeling itself. Protein kinase complexes like cyclin-dependent kinases and protein kinase A are the tiny builders of the phosphorylate proteins, turning key genes on or off, shaping learning, memory, and even mood. Think of cyclic AMP as a messenger carrier rushing through the neuron, delivering instructions that change how genes express themselves, with brain-derived neurotropic factor acting like a growth fertilizer for neurons. In the realm of mood disorders like bipolar disorder and unipolar depression, things get even more intriguing. Structural brain changes like enlarged limbic regions, atrophied prefrontal areas, or altered white matter are part of the picture. These conditions involve a symphony of neurotransmitter signaling, dopamine, serotonin, glutamate, all reconfigured during effective episodes with brain activity flickering between networks like the default motor sinus network. Neurogenesis in the hippocampus and synaptic plasticity are affected, influenced by treatments like lithium or valproate, which promote neurotrophins and aid in dendritic growth. On the molecular side, pathways involving tyrosine kinases, mitogen-activated protein kinases, and phosphorylaminositow-3 kinase are busy orchestrating cellular responses. Neurotrophins, like nerve growth factor, guide neuron survival and connectivity, while inflammation and oxidative stress, think of reactive oxidative species and cytokines, can throw a wrench into the works that can weaken the HPA axis and impact in cognitive and emotional health. Microglia, the brain's immune cells, visually monitor inflammation, and their overactivation can influence mood and behavior, especially when coupled with sleep-related immune changes. And let's not forget the gut-brain connection. The microbiome gut-brain axis plays a role in mood regulation, with cytokines and transport channels crossing the blood-brain barrier, influencing neurotransmitter levels like serotonin and tryptophan, mental health relates, all these elements, glutamate, GABA, neuropeptides converge to shape cognition, emotion, and behavior. So whether it's the intricate dance of synaptic plasticity, regulation moved by limbic circuits, or their cellular responses to stress and inflammation, our brain is a dynamic, ever-changing marvel, like a fine-tuned orchestra where every neuron, glial, and molecular has a part to play in the symphony of life.